split-second adjustment, the fish bends in midair and collects the prize. The Pinaputanga's extraordinary feeding technique relies on these waters remaining clear. This male is busy building a mound of stones in which, if he's lucky, a female will lay her eggs. It's a good start, but rivals are doing the same thing and want some of his pebbles. The intruder seen off, and it's back to business. And then, with the last of some 7,000 stones, his nest is complete. And right on time, here is a female. His work is done. The eggs will hatch, and then his mound will be slowly dismantled by the current. So next year he'll have to start all over again.